Hi, I'm Kate Arnold. I'm Clark County's elementary math coach. Today we're going to explore ways that children may multiply in their classrooms. So let's look at some different ways kids will multiply. The first model is called the area model, and we'll take a 2-digit by a 2-digit number to multiply. And first the students would draw a box like this and split it into two. And then they need to split it into two going the other direction. Now they're going to write the expanded form of 24, which would be 20 and 4. Then they're going to take 39 and write the expanded form of 39. So they'll write 30 and 9. Now the students are going to multiply things that match in quadrants. So they're going to take 20 times 30 and match it here. So 20 times 30 equals 600. Then they'll multiply what matches in this quadrant. So it's 4 times 30. And that equals 120. Then they're going to go to the bottom quadrants and multiply 20 times 9. And that equals 180. Then they go to the last quadrant. 4 times 9 is 36. To figure out the whole answer of 24 times 39, they will add up each quadrant. So 600 plus 120 plus 180 plus 36. For a total answer of 936. There are some other ways that students are learning how to multiply these days, and that's called the partial products. And this is a standard that they have to be able to do starting in 3rd grade. So it's very similar to the area model, but students don't have a graphic organizer like in the first example. So in this one, they also split it up into 20 plus 4 and 30 plus 9, and they're just going to work going down. So the first thing they're going to do is multiply the two numbers that have values within the tens. So 20 times 30 equals 600. Then they're going to multiply the 20 times 9 and get 180. Then they're going to multiply the 30 times 4 and get 120. And then they're going to finally multiply 4 times 9 and get 36. When they add it all up again, they get 936. The final way that our students like to multiply is called lattice multiplication. And as long as our students have learned their basic facts, they can do this with ease. So again, we're still working with the same multiplication problem of 24 times 39. And in this one, you're going to put just the single digits above the boxes. And then you're going to come over to the side and write the single digits for 39. Again, in this problem, you're going to match quadrants like in the first example. So this one I'm going to match 2 times 3 equals 6. If there is no digit in the tens, I put a 0 on the top, and the digit in the ones goes on the bottom. So I put a 6. Now I'm going to match 4 times 3. That equals 12. The 1 is in the tens place value, and the 2 is in the ones place value, so I put it on the bottom of the diagonal line. Then I'm going to multiply 9 times 2, which equals 18. Again, the 1 is in the tens digit, so I put it above the dotted line, and the 18 is below the dotted line because it's in the ones digit. 9 times 4 is 36. Now this can become the tricky part for the kids. We now have to add going along the diagonals. So if I cover this up, in this diagonal is the number 6. If I cover these two up, I can add 8 plus 3 plus 2, which equals 13. I'm going to put the 3 here and carry the 1 to the next diagonal. Here I'm going to add this diagonal up. 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1 equals 9. So my answer to 24 times 39 is 936. So when your kids come home multiplying one of these ways, let them teach you how to multiply in a new way.